You're welcome. You know, I remember when you guys started on Andy's show, and I've been following your career in the past few years, and you have really matured.
Oh, thank you. You know, we were watching those early pictures of you, and you've grown up pretty good, too.
Oh, you matured, all right. Hey, listen, isn't there somebody missing here?
Yeah, that's Jimmy. He's here, but he's kind of going through a phase, you know. He's, well, a little bit nervous about performing with a sex symbol. You know what I mean?
Oh, well, I don't consider myself a sex symbol.
Oh, not you. He means Donnie.
Well, in that case, bring Jimmy out.
Okay, but we want to warn you, he's very shy.
Yeah. Yes, he's a little bit inhibited when he's around a big superstar.
Well, I'm not. Oh, you mean Donnie?
You know, Jimmy would like to come out and sing a song to you, but he kind of wants his brothers to help him get through.
Yes.
Oh, sure, I understand.
Well, as long as you do, that'll help him. So, should we bring him out?
Yes.
Okay, bring out Jimmy.
Okay, bring out Jimmy.
Donnie, bring on Jimmy.
Hey, Jimmy, it's me, Robert Redford, calling you. Come on out, Jimmy.
You are the sunshine of my life. Oh, yeah. That's why I'll always be.
Poor kid, he really needs our help.
You are the sunshine of my life.
Oh, yeah. That's why I'll always be around. Oh, you are the apple of my eye. Forever, you'll stay in my heart, in my heart. I feel like this is the beginning, just the beginning. Though I loved you for 1,000,000 years, and if I thought our love was ending, I find myself drowning in my own tears. You are the sunshine of my life. You are the sunshine of my life. You are the sunshine
You'll stay in my
heart. Yeah, 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 yeah. You are the apple of my. You are the apple of my eye. You are the
That's
apple
why you'll always
of
be
my eye. Yeah. You are the sunshine of my life.
Thank you. But I thought my brothers were pretty good, too.